Hello bag lovers, how are you? Hope you're having a great day. Today I will be sharing with you my mini pink backpack that is Chanel inspired. I really love the design of Chanel because it's very classy, it's very elegant, it's very timeless. And since I couldn't afford an original Chanel at this point, I just purchased an inspired version of it. So here you can see this bag has a very cute color, baby pink color, and a gold hardware. And at the back of it you can see a standard pocket, just like in Chanel bags, where you can place your ID for easy access, or train card, or probably a hotel key card. Then you can carry it in 3 different ways. First, you can of course use the backpack sling, and on the front, if you pull it, you can place it at the crook of your arm, or you can just carry it like so. I also placed a very cute pom-pom at the side of it. And then now let's see what I have inside. Let's open. Just a pull. I think this is a stopper. Just pull it, and inside I have with me a small bottle of alcohol, and then I have my favorite pear and freesia Christine Louvillier, and this one is the body mist. You can see I just almost finished it because I really love the smell. And then I have here my favorite sunscreen, Pond sunscreen, and then I have some tissues with me, and I also have my favorite very simple wallet, which has 3 card slots, but of course, as I've said in my earlier video, I didn't use this slots. I just place everything inside. I just want it that way. And then inside, I don't have anything in the pocket, inner pocket, so I have my phone, and lastly I have a pouch, a carry-all pouch from CLN. So let's open. I have here some panty liners, and also some paracetamol for headaches, and then I also have a thin thermometer, a band-aid, then I have here Etude House drawing eyebrow, and which has for the brush for the eyebrow, and the other side is for the product. This is, I love this one, and it is long lasting, I must say. And then I also have an eye drop, my favorite menthol stick, and I also have a clay blush here, clay blush from Dear Self Beauty. Let's open. This is the color, lovely pink, nudish color. And then I also have some nude what do you call this, eye makeup, eyeshadow color. And then a pin that opens my SIM card, and then I have a hair tie and my portable scissors that I carry with me for emergencies, and then of course my angel. This is Angel Saint Raphael, my archangel. Another hair tie, and lastly I have a thinner version of my key holder. Look, it does have a small flower icon. I think this key holder can hold up to 4, but I just placed 2 most used keys, my house keys, so that it would not be very heavy inside my bag. I guess that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please enjoy, relax, and thank God for these blessings.